first startup on the Lamborghini with the ginormous, huge exhaust tips in just 3, 2, 1. Let her rip. Ayo, what is going on, everybody? Once again, you guys already know because you clicked on the video. It's your boy Bug coming through with yet again another banger. Not only is today's video on this car, we also have a special guest today. We have, what is this, like a Porsche?
It's a 370Z.
Oh, 370Z, just a GTR badge.
And a wing.
And a wing. Dang, this thing's looking super fresh. Ooh! I can't get over how good looking this car is. Huge shout out to the one, Low Life Duramax, coming all the way from where?
Beautiful British Columbia.
Beautiful British Columbia, just to help me film today's video. He drove how many hours to do this?
About 15.
15 hours just to help me film. So you guys, huge shout outs to him. His Instagram will be up here on the screen. He posts a lot of cool car content and diesel truck content. I know you guys like both of those, so go check them out.
Burnouts.
Lots of burnouts. I'm actually super curious on who would win out of a race between Michael's GTR or my 2004 V10 Lamborghini Gallardo. Now this car is a little lighter, that's a little heavier, this has a little more power, this has a little less power. Who do you guys think would win? Honestly, who do you think? Comment down below. Alright, you've heard the Nissan GTR, you heard the Lamborghini. Now you have to pick which one sounds better. How loud this car is, just with those dinky tiny little exhaust tips. And we are getting ready to fab up like 3 or 4 foot giant cones. And you know, when a cone, kind of like the air horn shape, it really amplifies and just blows and makes a sound even louder and way more extreme. So we're gonna be adding one on this side, one on that side, so it'll have dual giant cone exhaust tips. And I'm not even ready for how loud it's going to be, because the car stock's already loud. I am no scientist or engineer by any means, but to give you an idea of what we're doing today, I have a piece of paper, I have a giant piece of sheet metal, I have a paper cone, but I don't have a sheet metal cone, which means I need to turn the sheet metal into a cone. And yeah, you'll see, we'll figure it out together. Not only do I get to make one cone, I get to make 2 out of bending this aluminum sheet metal with no rollers. We have no table rollers, so we're going to be doing this by hand, and we need to come up with a way to do it. Yeah, this is going to be a little difficult, but we got this, you guys. So this will be our pipe bender. I will drill a hole in this corner, stick that into it. I will be on one side, Mike will be on the opposite side, and then we will rotate that as leverage while it rotates the sheet metal. And yeah, I know it sounds really confusing, but don't worry, I'm going to show you guys. So in case you ever want to make your car the loudest one in the neighborhood, piss everyone off every single morning, you're going to be able to do it. Just watch the instructions. Oh, my head! Yes. Leverage always helps. Pick a place and send it. Sounds like it grabbed. We finally have one of the exhaust tips done, and I have to say, this thing is ginormous, completely massive. It's overkill to say the least, and it's going to be extremely loud. I think it's going to sound pretty good. Take a look at it. There's the inlet all the way down in there, and here is the outlet. There's my hand size to give you guys an idea on how big this really is. How do you guys think this is going to sound? Is it going to sound really good, or is it going to sound super cringy, you know, like a Honda? You guys, I cannot get over the size of that. Michael, how do you think it's going to sound? Be real with me right now.
I think it's gonna sound a little deeper.
A little deeper?
Deeper, maybe?
Oh, it's gonna be loud. Anyhow, we'll build number 2 right now. As you can see, we have the exhaust tips mounted on the car. Both of them are complete and built and looking super amazing, but they're kind of dragging. So I got some bungees. I'm attempting to keep them suspended up, but you know, this car's kind of low life. You might get some scrapes, some sparks. I don't know. You guys will just have to find out. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The giant 5-foot cone-shaped exhaust tips are mounted on the back of the Lamborghini Gallardo. That one's gonna be super loud. It ended up being bigger than that one, but at least we have duals, so both exhaust tips are covered. Now we just have to start it up and see how it sounds. I'm honestly a little scared to start the car up and just hear how loud it is. I don't think I'm ready, or any of you guys are ready, but here we go. If you guys think it's going to sound good, let me know. If you guys think it's going to sound like complete, utterly crap, like someone having a super juicy fart after eating Taco Bell in a warm, moist porta potty, just let me know. Probably going to sound like the straight piped Miata. We'll see. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted. Oh my, that is extremely loud. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. I approve. I honestly cannot believe, just idling, I can't believe how loud the car is. If you guys, if any of you are wearing earphones, I'm sorry, you're probably deaf now. Please don't try to sue me. You should have took them out. So I'm really close. I'm really close to the car right now. I'm gonna go like way back here, and then just to like kind of show you guys how loud and how those exhaust tips amplify the sound so much more, and it just carries so much further. This is unreal. I can't stop cheesing. I'm so stoked on how loud it is. Okay, so we are a ways back here. I'm going to zoom into the car. I'm telling you guys, if you have not already, go down below and smash a like on this video. If you love loud cars, loud trucks, loud motorcycles, freaking like this video. It went from sounding like a V10 to a V1000, no joke. How do all of you guys think this sounds on a scale of 1 to 10? Okay, Hayden, what do you think about it? Looks and sounds.
Dude, that's high quality. I mean,
High quality? You might need to hey, talk up so everyone can hear you.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
I'm gonna do it to my car.
Okay, I like that. Michael?
I think we need 4 for the R35.
All right, R35's getting them next. Let's go. Grady, how do you think it sounds?
I don't like it.
You like it a lot? Well, Grady, I don't know why I keep driving forward, so you're probably gonna have to put those gloves back on. Grab the exhaust tips so I can back this thing up. Cannot get over how freaking ridiculous this setup is. It's just mind-blowing, but we're gonna throw it on Grady's straight piped Miata and we're gonna see how that sounds. Hey Grady, do you think you should warm your car up before we like start revving it a lot?
No.
All right, you're good then. Got it. All right there, buddy boy. Okay, that was bad. That was bad. I'm pretty sure everyone from freaking Germany, Russia, Africa, they all heard that. That was too loud. Alright, I think Michael's feeling a little left out. We got to hoon the Lamborghini, Grady got to hoon his Miata, and I think he's talking about doing a launch in his GTR. All-wheel driving is still freaking, it still gets sideways. Beautiful, amazing Utah sunset is the best way to wrap up this video. I want to thank everyone who took the time to click and watch the video, and I want to give a huge special thanks to everyone that's liked and commented and shares the video. If you guys have not liked or commented yet, freaking what are you doing? Go down, leave a like for the craziness that we've been doing and all the effort we put into that stupid, ginormous, loud Lamborghini exhaust, and comment what you guys think on how it looks, how it sounds. I'm curious. I'm always replying and reading through all the comments. I'll be looking for them. Huge thanks to Grenyas, Mr. Lowlife Durmax, and my brother who's already left. Yeah. Alrighty everyone, make sure that you don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share! Other than that, I love you all, and I will see every single one of you in the next video. Peace.